thanks for joining me today in SUPAbility. Today we shall... So sorry, I've got a bad cough. That brings me to the point of this video. Cough यानी कि खांसी. अक्सर हम इसे गलत pronounce करते हैं and we call it cough. Oh, I seem to be having a really bad cough and cold. How's your cough today? डॉक्टर साहब रात से कफ बहुत ही बढ़ गई है. All of that is wrong. Cuff means the end of your sleeve or the band that goes around it. It can also be used for the end of your jeans. You know, when you fold it up like that? Question. What does police use to arrest people? Answer. Handcuffs. All of that is cuff. खांसी is not cuff. It's cough. जैसे हिंदी में fear या डर को कहते हैं cough. Similar, just more k than k. Cough. Now let's try and remember it through coughing itself. Not cuffing, coughing. Let's practice. Cough. 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 Always put your fist on your mouth or cough in the crease of your elbow because that controls the spread of germs. Well, just a little tip, but just remember that it's these little tweaks that shape your personality. So do make changes today itself and subscribe to SUPAbility if you haven't done so already. Bye for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and away from any cold or cough. Ciao.